Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Morphe Molten Magic 12-piece lip gloss set. This set is part of Morphe's holiday collection that will be available on October 23rd online and in the Morphe retail stores. The packaging is a basic clear gloss tube with a black lid and a long gloss doe foot applicator. This set retails for $29, making each gloss $2.42 each, and these are 0.06 fluid ounce. These are iridescent, filled with so much sparkle that my lighting doesn't do these any justice on how pretty they are. These are the type of gloss that can be used as lip toppers or just by themselves. On the lips, these are pretty comfortable and I didn't notice much stickiness. The formula of these is pretty thin and creamy. Since these are filled with sparkles, you can feel some of the glitter when you press on your lips. I noticed some specks of glitter was left on my lips after the lip gloss started to fade throughout the day. So if you're not into glittery glosses, I would not recommend this set for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.